Hi everyone, this is Darren from MyMac. In this video, I will introduce
AHI HT80E Pure Electric Wide Body Mining Dump Truck.
AHI is the professional mining truck manufacturer
that producing open pit mining transportation equipment, underground mining transportation equipment, intelligent mining equipment, and special mining equipment.
AHI HT80E Mining Electric
Wide Body Mining Dump Truck is a heavy-duty transportation equipment specifically designed for large open-pit mines, mainly used for the transportation of ores and rocks.
The overall dimension of AHI
HT80E trucks is 10,100 mm by 4,500 mm by 4,655 mm and self-weight of 40 tons with an electric powertrain, and its load capacity is 80 tons.
AHI HT80E Truck is the battery
Swap type pure electric trucks, which greatly improves its operation efficiency. AHI HT80E Truck is equipped with JF Sanci TP-E03-00237 electric drive system. The rated voltage is 650 volt. The rated power is 420 kW with 1900 revolutions per minute rated speed. Its frame adopts large section closed box structure and full penetration integral welding type, which has strong bearing capacity and long service life. AHI HT80 Mining Electric Wide Body Mining Dump Truck has high transportation efficiency, and pure electric vehicles adopt a fast battery replacement method. Hybrid vehicles do not require battery swapping, but under different operating conditions, battery level setting and drive system control become key technologies for hybrid vehicles. AHI provides different control strategies based on different operating conditions, and its hybrid technology saves more than 40% of fuel compared to diesel vehicles. The extended range hybrid wide-body vehicle uses a large range extender, and it employs regenerative braking energy recovery during downhill travel to recharge the battery in the reverse direction. This not only effectively enhances transportation efficiency and reduces operational costs, but also addresses the challenge of range limitations for pure electric vehicles when climbing slopes under heavy load. AHI HT80 Mining Electric Wide Body Mining Dump Truck can be equipped with intelligent driverless technology to achieve less or no human operation. This can solve the challenges of recruiting drivers due to harsh working conditions, remote and enclosed locations, and complex mountainous climates and roads, which often lead to high labor costs.
Thanks for your time with us. Welcome to contact MyMac at any time.
For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.mymac.com.